In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a Slack message from Glide. First, make sure your Slack and Glide accounts are correctly integrated. Inside your Glide account, open the correct app you want to connect with Slack. Click on the Settings option at the upper side of your screen. From the options that appear, click on Integrations. On the right-hand side search box, type Slack. When Slack appears, click on it and then click Add to App. This will open a new browser window. If you are logged into Slack, you will immediately see the permission screen. If not, you will be asked to log in first. Once the permission screen appears, click Install Glide. This completes the integration from Glide's side. Now, head to your Slack account. Make sure you are in the correct workspace where you installed Glide. First, ensure Glide is added to the workspace under the Apps section. Scroll down the left-hand menu and click Add Apps. Here you will find Glide. Open it so it becomes active inside your Slack workspace. Next, go into the Slack channel where you want Glide to send messages. Click on the channel name at the top, then go to the Integrations tab. In the Apps section, click Add an App. When Glide appears, click Add a next to it so Glide joins this channel and is allowed to send messages there. Now it's time to create the action from within Glide that will send the message. For example, I want to send a Slack message whenever someone submits a form. I will select the form container, and on the right-hand side, I will scroll down to the Actions section. Whatever element you want to trigger the Slack action, whether a button, form, or anything else, go to its Actions section. Click on the action here, then search for Slack in the drop-down. You will see an option to send a message to a channel in Slack. Select it. In the channel box, type the exact name of the Slack channel. In my case, the channel is called Form Notifications. So I copy that name and paste it in Glide in the message box. Type the message you want Slack to receive. For example, I can write "a form has been submitted by," and then insert the name element of the person submitting the form. Now test it. I will fill out this form with some example data, including the name John Doe, and submit it. When I go to my Slack channel, you can see that Glide has sent the message exactly in the format I set up, including the name of person. Using this same process, you can integrate Slack with Glide and trigger messages from any part of your app, and this is how you can send a Slack message from Glide.